What's up, YouTubers? Steve and Chris here, cruising in Florida, got the vet out. We're itching to get some of these cool videos up, but we got to edit and clean everything up. We got a lot of Burnout videos and a lot of cool footage and interviews with Cooper and James and all that. But we wanted to give you guys a small sample, so we're going to post up the one that everyone's waiting to see, Cleetus and Warbird. Thanks, guys. Like and subscribe.
Get in front of that puddle, bud. Get in front of that puddle. Keep the... Oh, yeah. Those tires didn't stand a chance! Make some noise!